Was shut down. We don't see them anymore, but I do hear people cheering around me. There's a couple buildings, so it's blocked. Oh, there's a sonic boom. Woo! So, wow, Brooke, if I can't even begin to describe the excitement around me. I mean, everybody's come out from the buildings here at Kennedy Space Center to
pan the camera over.
It is now running off its 3 onboard fuel cells. Coming up on a go for auto sequence start. And we have a go for auto sequence start. Discovery's onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond. 10, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Destroyed as we saw today. It was successful. It was not destroyed, so that will not be a problem. But we're waiting to see just how successful it was. You know, as you were just speaking with Miles, there is his own personal Tesla Roadster on board with that, you know, that space dummy on there playing David Bowie's Space Oddity. We don't know exactly how far it's gotten at this point, but we will keep you updated as we get all of this incredibly exciting space information. Brooke.
I love the enthusiasm. Rachel Crane, my friend, thank you so much.